where children love to learn and experiment with new things. He will definitely develop a problem solving attitude. As while developing our programs, we always taught the student like this that, okay, this is our problem and we need to solve it with the help of coding. So whenever you approach any problem, you need to have a basic knowledge about it so that you can solve it in a better way. When we do this thing again and again in our program, it becomes an inbuilt part of child. So whenever he face any problem, he'll know how to fix it.
Okay.
Right? So that's a very essential life skill, ma'am. It will not help the child only in coding, but also in the life per se.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And also, coding will help child to think out of the box. How? Whenever we try to create any program, ma'am, we try to make child think that, see, whatever you have studied till now, not only math, science, social study, etc. So we can use the knowledge of all these subjects to develop a program, to develop an application. So child come to know that, okay, all the education which he has grabbed till now, they all are interlinked. They are not like separate things. How to interlink, how to connect those knowledge in order to create a whole application is what brings creativity within them, and they start thinking out of the box. Like, no, I can think much better than this. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So this kind of knowledge, this kind of experience child used to gain while creating any program. One more thing I want to get your notice is, we are living in an era of artificial intelligence now. Today, we all know that coding is everywhere. There is no field which is untouched by coding, right? So if Corbin found his interest and passion in coding, he can choose it maybe a few years down the line. So it will be very, very beneficial for Corbin to understand whether he is having interest in coding or not, and whether he wants to choose it as his career or not.
Okay.
So like it makes it brings a very special kind of confidence within the child that, okay, I know about this field, I know what I want to do with this or not, right? That's the thing with coding, ma'am. And now let me quickly brief you about today's agenda. In today's class, the child is going to learn about coding, some important concept regarding the project, the platform which we are going to use to create our project, and after the project activity, the child is going to, after the project activity, we will be doing a small quiz based on child information. I will also be having a word with you again, ma'am, after the project activity. And then our academic counselor will join in to tell you about the curriculum we are having along with the fee structure.
Okay.
I hope you have got some idea about today's session. Please feel free to ask any question if you are having.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So now allow me to carry forward this session with Corbin. And is your nephew is also joining in?
I think he's having trouble connecting, so you can go ahead without him. That's okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. For your nephew, you can also give me the details, and I can also, if it's not possible now, I can book a demo for him, and he can take it later. So
okay.
That also we can do.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So do you want to give me the details to book the demo, or?
I'll let his mom know.
Okay, ma'am. Definitely. Okay, Corbin. So let's start with our today's session. So as I introduce myself to you, I also want to know certain things about you. Will you answer my question?
Mm-hmm.
Great. Tell me, in which grade you are studying right now?
I'm studying 4th.
4th grade. Very good. And tell me, how old are you? What is your age?
9.
Great. Now tell me, which is your favorite subject? Which subject you like to read the most?
Science.
Science. Why? Any reason why you like science?
Because I get to learn a lot of stuff, and also it makes me happy.
Oh, so learning makes you happy. Learning new things, how the things are happening. The knowledge of reason makes you happy. Very good, very good. Tell me what. Now, what are your hobbies? What you like to do in your free time?
Play video games.
Quite logical, quite logical. We all like video games, right?
Yeah.
Wonderful. And in which country you are living right now?
I learned this But I'm pretty sure it's Pennsylvania. Yeah, that's good.
Pennsylvania, it means you are living in USA, right?
Yes.
Great. Okay, my child. So as I can see, you have a great urge for learning how the things are happening, and you have a versatile personality. I am looking forward to have an amazing session with you. Okay. Now let's talk about coding. So tell me, what do you understand by the word coding? When I say this word coding, what comes to your mind?
Like using a bot and doing something on it so to make it move.
Okay, that's great. But you know what? The thing which you told me is the application of coding. Yes, if you know coding, you can make your bot do anything. Okay, but what exactly coding is, I'm going to explain to you now so that you have a better understanding about it. Okay? So, in order to understand what is coding, so this is me, and the second one is Paul. Okay? Tell me, what we both are doing right now with each other?
We are both on a video thing and we are talking.
Very good. We are talking. And in which language we are talking, my child?
English.
Great. So we are talking in English. Now suppose if I talk to you in Japanese, would you be able to understand me?
No.
Don't, right?
No.
Would you be able to understand Japanese? If I speak in Japanese, will you be able to understand me?
No.
Great. So why? Because see, whenever two persons are talking, we need to pick a language which is common between us. A language which is understood by both of us. If either of us don't know the language, we will not be able to talk with each other. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
So in today's class, we are having English as a common language. Now consider a scenario where you want to talk with this Mr. Computer. Okay, computer is saying, talk to me, I will do whatever you want. But Corbin is having a genuine question. How? How can I talk to you? So computer is saying, with the help of coding, it's my language. Right? So what we understand by this conversation is, just like English, just as English is our language, coding is the language of computer. So if you want to talk to this Mr. Computer, you need to know coding and make it as a common language between both of us. Then only we will be able to talk to our Mr. Computer and able to say what we want. Now, when you are able to talk to our Mr. Computer, you can tell him whatever you want. You can tell him to create a bot, you can tell him to create a game, a website, and a lot of things, right? So today we have learned what is coding. So in a very simple language, coding is the language of computer. Got it? So what can you tell me now? What do you understand by coding?
It helps you learn different languages and also you can talk to people without physically talking to them with a different a language.
And not with people. It don't help us to talk with people. It helps us to talk with computer. Okay? So it helps us to talk with the computer. That's coding is. Now, I want to play a game with you. So are you ready to play a game with me?
Mm-hmm.
Great. So the rule of the game is very simple. You just need to repeat what I am saying. Don't repeat what I am not saying. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's start the game. Red?
Jen?
You'll have to try it a different time.
Red, the color red.
Red.
Blue?
Blue.
Pink?
Pink.
Water?
Water.
Red?
Red.
Lovely. So what is the color of the sky, my child?
Blue.
Blue. Are you sure it's blue?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So now tell me the rule of this game.
It's to
You
help.
just need to repeat what I am saying, right?
Mm-hmm.
You need not to answer it. Did you get it?
No.
Okay. I said, you just need to repeat it. So when I say what is the color of the sky, you need to say what is the color of the sky. I am not answering,
yeah.
I'm not asking you the question. We are playing the repeat game, right?
Mhm.
Now you get it?
Yeah.
Well done. So we played this game for a purpose. Okay? We are getting two messages out of it. First message is, as I was giving you the instruction, you will also give instruction to your computer.
Mhm.
And in the language of coding, these instructions are called as commands. Okay, so this is our Mr. Computer, and the commands we give to our computer are the instructions. Okay, so instructions are the commands we give to the computer. Got it? So commands are nothing but the instructions. Got it?
Mhm.
Do you have any doubt up till here, my child?
No.
Good. Now tell me, do you have any prior experience of coding? Have you ever done coding before?
Yes, in school.
In school, and which platform you know?
Oh my gosh, I forget the platform. I forget it.
Okay, so it's code.org or it's a Scratch, Thunkable?
Yeah. Yeah.
Which
I
one?
have Scratch on my iPad.
Okay, so you have Scratch.
Yeah.
Are you good with it? You know means you know about it. You are good with it, or
Yeah.
you just know about it.
I'm really good. I'm good at it, but also there's still some stuff that I don't really know about it.
Okay, so there are stuff which you don't know, but you are good with Scratch, right?
Mhm.
So let's try some new thing. Okay, let's try some new thing. Do you know Thunkable?
Wait, what?
Thunkable. Thunkable. I think you have never heard of it, right?
No.
Great. So let's talk about Thunkable. So just give me a second and let me show you the project which we are going to do. Okay, as you already mentioned that we can create bots with the help of coding. So let's create one. Okay, let's try to create a bot which can convert your text into speech. Just write whatever you write, it will speak it up loud. Sounds interesting?
Wait.
Am I audible, my child?
Huh?
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Can you? Okay, fine. So don't worry. Let me show it to you. Then you will be able to understand it better. Okay. Just give me a second. I am taking it out. Almost there. Okay, I'm sharing my screen with you. You need to tell me what you are looking at. Okay.
Okay.
So can you tell me what you are looking at?
It bought on like a iPhone thing.
Yes, very good. So by the visuals itself, you can say that this is a mobile phone and this is a mobile application, right?
Mhm.
So what it will do for us, let me click on this button and let's see what it will do. And let me know whether you are able to hear the sound or not.
Hi, I am Zorro.
Yeah.
Your bot friend. To know more, click on About Me button.
Okay, now I'm clicking on About Me button and let's see.
I am Zorro. Your bot friend. I am 12 years old. I live in USA. I can read your written text loudly.
See?
Yeah.
So as I told you that we are going to create a bot which can convert your text into speech.
Mhm.
You are giving some written words to it and he is actually speaking it up loud. Question is how? How we can develop this kind of bot, correct?
So.
Yes. So, yes. Do you have anything to ask?
No.
No? Okay. So first of all, tell me, my child, what do you understand by application? In general terms, we call it app, right? And we use multiple apps in our daily life. So what is an app? What do you understand by application?
it's like something you can do on like a phone or like you can put it on like on a phone so you can open it and have something to do, and it can also help you understand.
Very good. Okay, good. So, in a very normal term, let me redefine it for you, although you know it, but let me tell you. Application is a program designed to do a specific task. Okay, what do we mean by it? So tell me, what do you understand by a program?
It's something to help you, like it's to help you learn and do something specific.
Yes, very good. So see, I explained you what is a command, right? Command is the instruction we give to us, correct? When you give multiple instructions, that too in a logical manner, okay? It has some logic. When you give multiple commands in a logical manner to solve any problem, then it becomes a program. Okay? By creating a program, you are trying to solve some problem. Then it's a program. So command is an isolated thing. It's a single instruction. What it will do, it's not fixed. But program, we define multiple commands in a logical manner to solve some problem. And whenever you create any application, you try to solve a particular problem. So for example, we all use YouTube, right? And what YouTube can do for you?
It can help you learn stuff.
Very good. It basically shows you all kinds of videos, right? Yes. But can we use our YouTube to do the calculation? Can it do 2 + 2 = 4? It can do.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't do calculation with your YouTube, my child. It can only show you the video of calculation, but it cannot act like a calculator. Correct? Why? Because it is not meant for it. It's not designed to show you the calculation, right? So every application is designed for a particular task. Same goes with our robot also. Our bot is designed to convert our text into speech and nothing more than that. Correct?
Yeah.
Great. So that's what an application is. Now let's learn how to create one. Okay? So today, in order to create this application, we are going to use a platform called Thunkable. This is the name of your platform. Let me show you how it looks and how we can act on, or how we can create an application. So just give me a second. I stop sharing my screen. So can you see my screen again? Okay. So I need to type on this Google Thunkable. And see, it's suggesting me the name, Thunkable company. Click on it. And we need to click on this first link, Thunkable. This is the logo of Thunkable, and this is the link. Click on it. It will take us to this page. Now here we have this login option. Can you see it? Yes. The moment we click on login, it will ask us your the ID, from which ID you want to sign in. The moment we select it, it will take us. So see, it's asking. I am clicking on sign in with Google. I am selecting my ID, and I am in now. So this is the home page of Thunkable. Now, when I want to create an application, so let me delete one of them. So when I want to create an application, I just need to click on this blue color button. Can you see this one? Create new project? Yes. The moment I click on it, it will show me this window. I'm going to click on this create your own project. Now, the first thing it is asking is the name of my project. Okay, so I can say my bot. Okay, or you can say my bot friend, any name you want to give, you can. After that, we need not to select any organization because it's having only one option and it has already been selected. So that's fine. Now in category. Category is just the information. What you think your application is lying. Okay? Selection of category is not going to affect your application in any way. So you can choose any category. For now, I am selecting education. And after selecting it, just click on here in this empty box and it will be gone. Now, my child, I want you to pay attention over here. Don't click on this checkbox, even if it is selected unticked. Okay, remove the check from it. Why? Because there is an option called preview option in our application. It will make that option disappear if you select it. We want that option. That's why we are not selecting. Okay. After doing all these three things, click on create and you will be able to enter inside this particular image, this particular platform. Got it? Will you be able to create it?
Yeah.
That's wonderful. So let me open the Thunkable for you. And here we go. Log in. There you go. Okay, now I am sharing my screen with you. I am actually giving you the remote control. So click on the mouse and try to move the mouse.
Moving my mouse.
Yeah, click first. First click and then try to. Very well. Now it's moving, right? Now tell me how you are going to create your new project.
Yep, right here.
Very good. So click on it. Yep. Now which option you will select?
Create your own project.
Wonderful. Click on it. Give the name to your project. Delete it. Yes. Delete the whole thing and yes. Now give the name to your project. What name you want to give to your project? Okay, and we don't need to select the organization, just select the category. What do you think your application is lying inside which category?
I'm gonna do games.
Okay, fine. Okay, now click on some white area, yes. It got deselected. So again, click on it. Click on your, yes, and yes, there itself. Yes, there itself, click. Yes, very good. And now just click on the create button. Everything is all right. Well done, you are in now, right? So now let me show you the next step, okay? So allow me to handle the mouse. Don't move your mouse, okay? So now I'm going to my application. Now my child, whenever we want to create an application, we follow 3-step process, okay? First is design, okay? We design our application first. What do you understand by designing? Anything?
Games.
Games? Okay, right. Game also have the design part. So basically, we understand how your application is going to look like, right?
Mhm.
What will be the color of the background, where will be the title appear, how will be the characters, where there will be your button, etc. So all these things is your design. After doing the designing, we do coding. Okay? Just designing only is just a painting. You draw something. But how it will work if you click on the button, how it will perform some action. So you have to connect your design with their function with the help of coding. Okay? If you don't do the coding on your design, it will not work. It will act like just a piece of paper where you have draws. That's it. It will not do anything. So we connect our design to its functionality with the help of coding. And after doing design and coding, the third step we do is testing. Testing means whether your application is working all fine or not. If there is an error, if there is a bug, we remove it and let our application work. Right? So this is the whole process. Now the question is, how we do all these three things with the help of Thunkable? So my child, when you want to do the design, you go to this tab called design. When you need to do the coding, you need to go to this block called to this tab called block. And when you want to do the testing, you go to this live test option. Got it? So we can cover all the three phases in our Thunkable. Thunkable is a free of cost website which allow us to create a whole application. That's why we are using it. Now, first of all, whenever you try to create any application, you always do the design first, because if there is no button, you cannot, add functionality to your button, right? So first, you need to have a button. So let's see how we can create a design. So right now we are already in the design tab. You just need to click on it to go there, and we are already in. Here you can see 4 panels. This is your first panel. This is called information panel. This is your information panel. The second panel is this one. This is called component panel. Here it is written component panel. This is your screen. And this is your property panel. What they will do for us, let's see one by one. So suppose I want to change the color. Right now I am having one screen. I don't like the name, or I don't like the color also. How can I change the name and the color of this screen? So look, this is the name of your screen, and the same thing is appearing here as well as in here. Whenever you want to change any property of your component, we always use this property area. Okay? Property area allow us to change the properties of our component. So if you want to change the name, click on this pencil icon which says rename, click on it, and it allows us to change the name. So I am deleting it and calling it as main screen. The moment you hit enter, look at the magic. The name got changed in all the 3 places. Right? Okay, now how to change the background color. So again, I will go to this background color. I can choose whatever color I want. So I can either choose it from here, this predefined color, or I can also change the color from here. Okay. The moment I selected, okay, I think I need this one. Now from this rectangular block, I can choose the shade. We want light blue or some other colors. I am changing the shade. I'm liking this color. Okay, so just click on it and click on some empty area. We are done. Now suppose I want to add the name of my application at the top. So how can I do this? For this, our component area comes into picture. You can add any component from here. So it's having button, label, text import, simple, and there is a whole list of components. Whichever you want, you just pick it. Suppose I want label right now. Take it and drop it on the screen and wait for a few seconds. It takes some time to load. Okay, so just wait, and there it is. Right? Again, if you want to change something, go to the property. See, there is a text option here. I don't want to be display label, so you can write my bot friend and hit enter and see whatever you write here in the text, the same is also appearing on your screen. I can make it big by changing the font size. Right now it's 18. I want it to be 25, and look at the size of your bot friend. I also want to change the color, so I can go to color, click on it, and maybe red this time. Let's look at it, right? So you can change the properties from here. Okay, will you be able to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's your turn. Let me go to your application. Yeah, handle the mouse. Again, click it and try to move it.
Done.
Wonderful. Now change the name of your screen.
Here.
Very good. Delete the name, and whatever name you want to give, you can write it over there. Okay, if you're done, hit enter.
Enter. Wait. Was that?
Press the enter button.
Yeah. Enter. Yeah.
Okay, no, you should just click it some. Yeah, very good, very good. Now, how can you change the color of your screen?
Right.
Wonderful, very good. And which is your favorite color, my child? You like this one? Very good. Now, we want to display the name of our application. So which component you are going to choose? Which component help us to display the name?
Label.
Wonderful. Drag it and drop it on the screen. Very good. Now just wait for a few seconds. It will take some time to get load. And there it is. Now let's write the name of your application. So go to the property area. Very good. Delete label and write my bot friend. That's the name of our application. Oh, first delete the previously written thing. Yeah. Now write my bot friend. FRIEND. FRIEN. No issue. After E, we want N. N for nest. Very good. Wonderful. Now let's change the font size. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, you can set it to 25, 30, like that. Great, great. Now let's change the color also. How you can change the color?
See, I'll do red. No,
Very
I'm gonna do white.
Oh, that's great. Wonderful. Okay, now my child. So just like we added the label, you can also add your image. So go to your component and try to find out image. If you are finding it difficult, you can also write it in the search box. Keep on moving till you find the image. Almost there. There it is. Can you see? Yes, take it. Again, drag it and drop it on the screen. And just wait for a few seconds and see the image got added. But look at the position. We don't want it above my bottom. We want it below it, right? So how we can change the position? Let's learn that. So let me handle the mouse. Yeah, I'm going to my thing and yes, so let me see. You have searched it. I can use the search box also. I am just writing image, img, and it is there. Let me take it and add it. See, it is at the wrong position. How can I change it? So now we are going to use our information panel. See, your image is appearing above your label. You can drag this image and drop it here. You will be, when you try to drop it, you will be able to see a red line. So wherever that red line is going to stop, there only your image will be appearing. So let me do it. I am holding this image and slowly grabbing it down. And can you see the red line appearing?
Yep.
Yes, I need to bring that red line below label 1. And there it is. Now when it comes to the correct position, just drop your image and see. It has changed the position here as well as here. That's how you change the position, okay? So now it's your turn. Yep, go ahead. Handle the mouse and change the position.
Okay.
Very good. Below your label 1. Concentrate on the red line. Yes, now drop. Okay, one step. Wherever your red line will stop, there only it will come. Below, little bit down. Very good. Now drop. Wonderful, you did it. Very good. Now how to add an image inside your image, right? Right now there is no image.
Yeah.
So let me show you how. Let me handle the mouse. Yeah. And see, here in the properties section, you have this picture option. Click on it. It will give you the upload file. Click on upload file and it will take you to a position where you have stored all your images. I have stored here, so it take me here. Now I can just double click on my image or just select it and click on this open button. And just wait, it's going to appear. There you go. Right? So now it's your turn. Go ahead.
Upload files.
Very good. Wonderful. And click on open. Very good. There you go. Now the last thing we want is a button. Okay. So go at the top of your component area. The first option is your button. Bring it and drop it on the screen. Oh, no, not there. Component area. The area from where you have added your image and the label. This is your property area. Go toward left. Very good. This is the component area, right? So scroll up and go at the top. Very good. Keep on scrolling. Button is your first option. There it is. Can you see the button? Yes. Drag it and drop it. Again, it's going to appear at the wrong position. So change the position. Go to your information panel and change the position. Yes. Bring it below your image 1. Okay. So hold it and drag it. Very good. Okay. Focus. Wonderful. Now drop it. There you go. Very good. So we have done our design. Okay. Now after designing, what we need to do? We need to code. Okay. So how we do the coding? Let me show you. So let me handle the mouse. I'm going to my thing here. Now, my child, we want one more component over here, which is our text-to-speech component. This is the component which is responsible to convert our text into speech. So again, in the component area, we need to write text and see the last option is text to speech. Grab it and drop it on the screen. And look, because this is an invisible component, it's not going to appear on your screen. It's at the bottom. It's not the part of your screen, but it is the part of your application. Without this, your application, your bot is not going to convert your text into speech. Right? Now, after adding this text to speech, we want to do the coding. So select your main screen, and after this, go to your block area. So when you click on the block area, this is just like your Scratch, but there is a difference. These are already present blocks, and these are the parts which you have designed. So see, text to speech, label 1, image, main screen, you have designed these components. And with the help of it, you are going to do the coding. So coding is very simple, just like your Scratch. You click on the option. So right now I want to click on my button, but I didn't add the button. So for example, I want to click on my image, and I will need this block. So I will drag it and drop it at the center. Now, if I want to add something in between, so I will take another block and add in between, just like a Lego. Okay. Why we are adding that, I'm going to tell you when you will do it. So that's how you can start doing the code. Okay. So now let me stop this. Okay. Go to. Okay. Let's handle your mouse. Try to add the text to speech component. So search for it. No, not here. Go back to design. Yes. From the component area, try to search text. Yes, here. Very good. Click on it and write text, T-E-X-T. T-E, not S. T-E. T for E-X. There, just see, look at the last option. Just hold it and put it on the screen. Very good. And there it is. Now from the information panel, go to information panel and choose your screen. Yeah, so go up. Go up, yes, you are at the correct panel. Okay, yes, this one. Try to scroll it up. Not down, up. Go to the first position, yes. And click on your screen, which is main. Click on main. Very good, wonderful, okay. Now we will do the codings. Go to block. Very good. Now tell me, my child, whatever component you have added, like label, image, button, which component you are going to click to make your bot speak? Which component you are going to click on so that your bot will start speaking? You are going to click on text to speech, label, image, or button. Which of them you are going to click? It's the button, right? Yes, when you click on the button, it will start speaking. So click on the button 1. Go to button 1. Yep, yes, very good. Click on it. Wonderful. And now pick the first command. When button 1 click, take it and put it on Scratch. There is an option called event option. Can you tell me what event option do for you? What does the event option do for us in Scratch?
I haven't done Scratch in a long time.
Okay, so let me tell you. Whenever you want to send any signal to your computer, we use event option. Okay. Here also in Thunderbird, this yellow color or orange color, or I think it's yellow, yellow color block is helping us to send a signal to our computer. What kind of signal we are talking about? When you click on your button, your click is the signal for your computer that, okay, so now Corbin has clicked on me. I have to do the stuff which he told me to do. Okay, so your click is the signal, and that only you are sending here. Now, when you click on the button, you want your bot to speak up, right? Yes. So text to speech is the component which is responsible or will make your bot to speak, right? So let's go to text to speech. Yeah, click on it. Text to speech, click on it.
I'm trying.
Okay, so concentrate on the pointer. Yes, very good. And pick the first block called text to speech speak. This block will help your bot to speed the things up. So just read it. It's text to speech speak, right? Speak will help your bot to speak up the things. Very well. Click, put it there. Wonderful. And now, can you see that? Just let me handle the mouse. I need to shift my image because I'm not able to see your command. Okay, no. Yes. Okay, now please handle it again. So can you see there is a pink block where hello has been written? Whatever you want your bot to speak up, my child, write it there. Okay, so click on hello, delete it, and write a whole sentence which you want your bot to speak. Click on it. Yes, now click. And delete it and write whatever you want it to speak. Okay, so here your cursor is at wrong position. Very well, very well. Now write. Okay. Anything else you want to write?
No.
No? Okay, now let's test it. So go to the live test option. See, at the top you have a live test option.
Yeah.
Very good. Click on it. And see, exactly how you designed your application, the same application is visible. Now click on your button to make him speak. So click on the button.
Hi, I am Corbin.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
He's speaking, right? Now you can make him speak anything. So whatever you write in that pink block, it's gonna speak it up. Okay. Now tell me, my child, do you have any doubt in this application? Do you understand how you can create this bot? How to design? How to give the code? What coding and why we have given these code? Do you have any doubt in this code? Any of things?
No.
No doubt? You are a smart kid, right? You are focused enough to learn everything. Wonderful. So this is it for our demo session, my child. Tell me, do you like it?
Yeah.
You like creating this bot? You learn new stuff today?
Yeah.
Well done, well done. So now I want you to please call your mother so that I can have a small conversation with her. Okay?
Okay.
Please call your mother.
Mom. She wants to talk to you.
Is it ready?
Yeah. No, just
Yeah, you can say. Hello.
Hi, Mom. I'll welcome you back. So today we have tried to learn how to create this bot trend map. Okay. The purpose of this bot trend is that it helps us to change our text into code. Okay. Text into speech. So let me show you how it does. So yes, I'm clicking on the bot and you can hear him speak.
Hi, I am Zorro, your bot friend. To know more, click on About Me button. I am Zorro, your bot friend. I am 12 years old. I live in USA. I can read your written text loudly.
Okay, so this is the application which we tried to create, and this is Corbin's application. So what he has created, this is what Corbin has created in today's class. Okay, so when I'm clicking on this button,
Hi, I am Corbin.
so this is the app which he learned how to create. So we learn how to design this application, and also whatever you want your bot to speak, how to give that command. So this is the application which he has created, and I must say that he is having a very good aptitude in coding now. This is my honest feedback for him. He really understands how to do this stuff, and he was so focused and able to understand the instruction very well. Not even once I found that I am teaching a fourth grade kid. Who is if not even once I felt that I'm teaching a fourth grade kid. He was so focused and learning each and every instruction, plus why we are giving that instruction. So this is the important part, that he's able to understand why we are doing the things we are doing.
Okay.
So he is having aptitude in code, no doubt about it. So now I'm asking you, ma'am, do you have time? Shall I connect you to our academic counselor to get the detail about the curriculum and the fee structure?
I don't have time right now, but can you email it to me?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. I will inform this to the team, and they will inform you all the details about it.
Okay.
Okay, that's great, ma'am. So it was very nice meeting with you. Have a great day.
You
Bye,
too.
Corbin.
Bye.
Bye. You are a very nice student, I must say. Okay, bye-bye. Take
Bye.
care.
That was actually really fun.
Was it?
Yeah.
So explain to me in your words, like what
What do I what?
what did you do?